Hello everyone. In today's video, we will master NotebookLM, the enterprise AI knowledge agent for technical professionals. Imagine this. In 2026, technical professionals like you and me spend between 2.5 and 3 hours every single day just searching for, organizing, and synthesizing scattered information. That adds up to over 600 to 750 lost hours per year per person. For those working in cutting edge fields like AI engineering, research, or product strategy, the problem is even more acute amid exploding volumes of papers, benchmarks, code architectures, and regulatory updates. What if you could upload a focused corpus of sources and have a grounded, hallucination resistant AI research agent that not only answers with precise citations but autonomously performs deep web research, reasons through multi step problems with transparent thinking chains, and delivers production ready deliverables like editable slide decks, exportable data tables and mind maps, cinematic video overviews, and more? Welcome to Notebook LM in 2026. No longer just a clever podcast tool, but a powerful agent technology engine powered by the latest Gemini models. With features like deep research acting as an autonomous agent, advanced multi step reasoning, and rich studio outputs, it has become an indispensable co pilot for technical work. In the full professional deep dive, we will explore its architecture, advanced workflows, a complete hands on demo on the trending topic of agentic AI and multi agent systems, real enterprise use cases, comparisons, pro tips, and actionable next steps. This is designed as a full hands on experience. Pause and follow along at notebooklm.google.com. By the end, you will have a replicable system to turn information overload into your competitive edge. Let's get started. The first section is Notebook LM architecture and 2026 evolution. Why it's built different. Notebook LM is fundamentally a grounded knowledge engine. Unlike generic LLMs that pull from broad training data and risk hallucination, every response is anchored primarily in your uploaded or research sources, giving you verifiable, citation linked outputs that professionals can trust for high stakes technical work. It supports a rich multimodal ecosystem: PDFs, docx, Google Docs or Sheets or Slides treated as living documents that update dynamically, CSVs, audio files like meeting recordings, videos, images, YouTube links, web URLs, and direct Google Drive integration. Individual sources can be up to 5 lakh words or 200 MB. The 2026 evolution driven by Gemini 3x introduces true agentic capabilities. Think of it in three layers: observation, deep analysis of relationships across your sources; reasoning, multi step planning, contradiction detection, gap analysis, and transparent thinking traces; and action, generating complex outputs and even suggesting or importing new sources via deep research. Tiers matter for serious use. Free offers around 50 sources per notebook and limited daily generations. Pro and Ultra unlocks 300 to 600 sources, thousands of chats, and high volume outputs like cinematic videos. Enterprise via Google Workspace adds IAM controls and analytics. Extreme pro tip most users miss: front load your highest quality sources first when adding them. Notebook LM weighs earlier uploads more heavily in synthesis. Also use the 10,000 character custom instructions field for persistent personas that dramatically improves output consistency. The next section is professional curation and sourcing strategies. Effective use start with intelligent curation. For our demo, we will build a notebook around agentic AI and multi-agent system, one of Gartner's top strategic trends for 2026, where specialized AI agents collaborate to handle complex workflows, potentially driving massive efficiency gains. Prerequisites for your hands-on demo. Prepare everything now so you can follow along: a Google account and access to notebooklm.google.com. Also keep custom instructions handy, you can use the one on the screen. The next section is advanced querying and agentic features. Once source, the chat becomes your precision tool. Configure personas and ask for transparent reasoning. Show your step-by-step thinking, use deep research for gaps, it decomposes queries, scans web sources, synthesizes reports, and lets you import them directly. Pro tip: combine fast research for links with deep research for full synthesized reports. Toggle sources on or off for focused queries. And the next section is full hands-on demo, building an Agentic AI notebook. Now for the core of this video, a complete, easy to follow hands-on demo. Pause and replicate on your screen. We are curating a fresh project, Agentic AI systems for enterprise workflow automation. Imagine building a virtual team of specialized agents for research, compliance, checking, and reporting. The first step is notebook creation. Head to notebooklm.google.com and click Try NotebookLM. It creates a new notebook. Name it clearly, paste the custom instructions for consistent professional tone. The next step is curate sources. Add your prepared sources one by one. Upload PDFs first, then YouTube links, and then use the Add Source Web Deep Research. Use this prompt on the screen. Watch it create a research plan, pull sources, synthesize a report, and offer imports. Add the report as a new source. This is Agentic magic in action. The next step is Agentic querying. Open the chat and try these exact prompts. Gap analysis or decision metrics. Running our first prompt produces a clean, comprehensive decision matrix comparing single agent LLMs versus multi agent architectures. The table includes detailed columns for aspects, pros and cons, scalability scores from 1 to 10, implementation effort, and key 2026 trends, all fully cited from your sources. This output is incredibly valuable for technical decision making, giving you an at a glance view that would normally take hours of manual analysis. Contradiction detection. You can use the prompt on the screen. Next, the contradiction detection prompt scans all sources and clearly lists any conflicts or gaps around governance, security, and scalability. For each issue, it shows exact quotes with references, then proposes practical, balanced mitigations. The result is a transparent, trustworthy analysis that highlights potential risks early. This level of rigorous source-grounded reasoning is one of the NotebookLM's strongest agentic capabilities for professional work. The next prompt is risk assessment. You can use it from the screen. Finally, the risk assessment prompt delivers a professional, structured report on deploying multi-agent systems in regulated enterprises. It organizes risks into clear categories: technical, governance, security, and cost, with prioritized mitigations, effort estimates, and supporting tables. Everything stays grounded with clickable citations. This is exactly the kind of deliverable you can share directly with stakeholders or use in compliance reviews. The next step is Studio Output Showcase. Switch to the Studio panel, generate audiobook, slide, infographics, tables, etc. You can also add your custom instructions and suggestions while generating them. And here is the amazing output. First up, the audio overview. NotebookLM's powerful podcast style generator. It transforms your entire agentic AI corpus into an engaging, natural sounding discussion between two AI hosts.
The kitchen of like a Michelin-starred restaurant on a busy Saturday night. You don't see one master chef frantically trying to do absolutely everything.
Oh no, that would be a complete disaster.
Right. You don't see one person chop.
Perfect for listening during your commute or while reviewing complex multi-agent concepts. You can choose formats like brief, deep dive, or debate, and it stays fully grounded in your sources with clear citations. This is incredibly useful for absorbing architecture patterns and governance challenges without staring at a screen. Next, we generate a complete professional slide deck. NotebookLM creates a polished 10 to 12 slide presentation on the Agentic AI adoption roadmap, complete with executive summary, key Gartner trends, architecture diagrams, risk matrices, and speaker notes. The slides are fully editable and export directly to Google Slides or PowerPoint. This turns hours of manual work into minutes, giving you a ready-to-present stakeholder deliverable straight from your notebook sources. Next, infographic. Switching to visuals, the infographic output delivers a clean, visually compelling summary of multi-agent orchestration. It highlights key components, integration patterns, benefits, and trade offs in a single shareable image with smart layout and icons. Perfect for quick stakeholder briefings or internal documentations. You can regenerate with different styles or focus areas, and it remains completely grounded in the citations from your uploaded papers and benchmarks. Table exportable to sheets. Now let's look at the data table feature. NotebookLM synthesizes agent performance benchmarks from all our sources into a structured comparison table showing frameworks, strengths, weaknesses, metrics like speed and accuracy, and best use cases. The real power is that you can export this directly to Google Sheets with one click for further analysis or charting. This is a game changer for technical decision making, turning scattered research into actionable, quantifiable insights instantly. Next, quiz. The quiz output creates an interactive assessment tool based on your Agentic AI sources. It generates 10 to 15 scenario based questions covering practical trade offs in multi agent governance, scalability, and implementation. You get multiple choice or open ended formats with detailed explanation and citations. Ideal for team onboarding, self testing, your understanding, and training sessions. It even adapts difficulty based on the depth of your corpus. Next, brief document openable in docs. For more detailed readings, the brief document or report output produces a comprehensive, well structured briefing document on multi agent systems. It includes executive summary, risk assessment, implementation roadmap, and full citations. You can open and edit it directly in Google Docs with one click. This gives you a professional publication ready report that saves significant synthesis time while maintaining complete traceability to your original sources. Next, mind map. Finally, the mind map provides a beautiful hierarchical visual representation of multi-agent orchestration architectures. It shows central concepts, branching components, integration patterns, and relationships across your sources in an expandable, interactive format. Great for brainstorming sessions or explaining complex systems to teams. You can zoom, reorganize, and export it as an image or continue refining it within NotebookLM. Next, video overview. Cinematic video. Finally, one of the most impressive studio outputs in the cinematic video overview. NotebookLM transforms your agentic AI and multi-agent systems corpus into a professional narrated video summary with smooth visuals, animations, key highlights, and a clear storyline, similar to a high-quality explainer video. You can customize the tone, length, and focus, such as trends, risks, or implementation roadmap, and it stays fully grounded in your sources with on screen citations. This is perfect for stakeholder presentations, team updates, or sharing complex concepts quickly. On higher tiers, the quality is production ready and can be downloaded directly for editing in tools like CapCut. The next section is enterprise use cases, evidence, and comparisons. Real teams use this for research and development acceleration, competitive analysis, and more. Productivity gains of 30 to 50% on synthesis are commonly reported. Compared to Claude or ChatGPT, NotebookLM excels in grounded accuracy for your corpus, while hybrids with Gemini unlocks even more. The next section is limitations, extreme pro tips, and future proofing. Limitations include notebook isolation, workaround with exports, and tiered quotas. Extreme pro tip: use Gemini alongside for cross notebook queries or code execution. For power users, create meta notebook that reference exported outputs. Future roadmap includes deeper multi-agent collaboration within NotebookLM itself. Lastly, NotebookLM is your verifiable agentic copilot for 2026. Replicate this demo today. Measure your time savings and scale it. Share your agentic AI notebook results in the comments. What trends did you uncover? Subscribe for more deep tech guides. Thanks for joining this hands-on journey. Now go build the future. See you in the next one.